Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss everything about CLAT PG 2022, right from the application date to syllabus pattern and everything around CLAT PG 2022 and the changes that have happened this time. So let's start this video. So as you already know that the applications have already started for CLAT PG 2022 examination from 1st January. The exam is scheduled to happen on 8th May 2022. So it's important to take a look at the CLAT notification that has come out with respect to the pattern, syllabus and guide and everything about the PG examination for 2022 attempt. So the first thing that we are going to take a look at is the pattern of the exam. So earlier there was some confusion with respect to whether there will be a subjective part or not. So CLAT has clarified that there are going to be only objective questions and there is no subjective part in this time's attempt. All the questions will be comprehension based questions. The number of comprehensions, however, is not clear. That may depend on how the paper comes. So there is no set number of comprehensions passages that can be asked. It could be anywhere from 10 to 20 passages comprising of 120 questions overall. So there will be 120 objective questions and no subjective part in the May 2022 examination. Next up, we have total mark for this exam. So since it is a 120 objective type question paper, so 120 questions will be of 1 mark each, which means that the total will be 120 marks and there will be 0.25 negative marking for every wrong answer. Now let's understand the duration for this exam. So the exam is of 120 minutes or 2 hours, which stays the same. Now let's come to the important part, that is the syllabus for CLAT PG examination. Syllabus is also remained the same as 2020 and 2021 exam. So the important subjects are constitutional law, jurisprudence, administrative law, law of contracts, torts, family law, criminal law, property law, company law, public international law, tax law, environmental law, and labor and industrial law. So as you can see, there are around 13 subjects from which the CLAT PG examination can be based out of. Now, which subjects will be important and which may or may not be tested will entirely depend on what kind of recent judgments or recent events are happening in the country. However, having said that, subjects like constitutional law, administrative law, family law, jurisprudence and even PIL have been consistently asked in the past 2-year exams. So going by that same logic, these subjects will stay important, but that does not mean that other subjects cannot be asked. Now, having taken a look at the syllabus, we need to see 2 important reliefs that this notification has brought about. The first thing that it has clarified is that there is not going to be a subjective part included. So this was a common concern among applicants, that whether subjective portion will form part of the exam pattern or not. So there's a relief in that front, that CLAT has clarified that it will only comprise of comprehension based questions of 120 objective questions. The second important relief which most people are looking forward to is that the course duration for the LLM course continues to be 1 year. Now this confusion arose because BCI has earlier released a notice saying that LLM courses will now be of 2-year duration. However, they had put a stay on that notice, but CLAT has clarified that the LLM course for which the admissions will be done by CLAT PG 2022 will be of 1 year only for this attempt. So it's a relief that the duration of the course also stays the same. Now coming to the important part, that since the exam is very near, Jurisedge Academy is launching its LLM Crash Course for the May attempt. You will be getting live classes for all the basics of important subjects. You will also be additionally receiving the hard copy material, mock test and recent judgment analysis in the live classes. So the classes have already started from 3rd January 2022. So if you wish to enroll in this course, you can find the link for it in the description box. Additionally, we are also holding a workshop from 7 to 9 January, the link for which is also given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.